Coming in now is the 10:53 service to Heathrow Terminal 4 from Abbey Wood. It's 345014. Just past was 387152 and 387153, heading to London Paddington. And departing now is the 10:53 service to Heathrow Terminal 4. That one calls at Southall, Hayes and Harlington, Heathrow Central for Terminals 2 and 3, and Heathrow Terminal 4. Just past was the 10:59 London Paddington to Great Northern service. Just past was the 10:58 Bristol Templemeads to London Paddington service. Just past was the 1100 Abbey Wood to Reading service. Just past was the 1102 London Paddington to Heathrow Airport Terminal 5 service. Coming in now is the 1103 service to Abbey Wood from Heathrow Airport Terminal 4. It's 345025. Just past was the 1302 London Paddington to Heathrow Airport Terminal 5 service. Coming in now is the 1308 service to Heathrow Terminal 4. It's 345040, and the one just past was the 1307 Heathrow Airport Terminal 5 to Shenfield service. Just past was the 1306 London Paddington to Bristol Templemead service, and the one just departed is the 1308 service to Heathrow Terminal 4. That calls at Southall, Hayes and Harlington, Heathrow Central for Terminals 2 and 3, and Heathrow Terminal 4. Departing now is the 1317 service to Abbey via Canary Wharf, and the one just past was 387138. That one calls at West Ealing, Ealing Broadway, Acton Main Line, Paddington, Bond Street, Tottenham Court Road, Farringdon, Liverpool Street, Whitechapel, Canary Wharf, Custom House, Woolwich and Abbey Wood. That was an unexpected crossover. Coming in now is the 13:23 service to Heathrow Terminal 4. From Abbey Wood, it's 345069. That was an unexpected crossover. So the one just passed was the 13:24 service to Swansea, and the one there was the 13 Great Northern to London Paddington service. Just past was 387130 and 387134, heading to London Paddington. Departing now is the 13:23 service to Heathrow Terminal 4, running about 4 minutes late, I think. (345.069). That service calls at Southall, Hayes and Harlington, Heathrow Central for Terminals 2 and 3, and Heathrow Terminal 4. Just past was the 13:28 Bristol Templemead to London Paddington service. Just past was the 13:28 Abbey Wood to Reading service. Just past was the 13:32 London Paddington to Heathrow Airport Terminal 5 service. Just past was the 13:38 London Paddington to Cheltenham Spa service. Departing now is the 13:48 service to Abbey. Just past was a pair of Class 387s heading to London Paddington. That one calls at West Ealing, Ealing Broadway, Acton Main Line, Paddington, Bond Street, Tatton Court Road, Farringdon, Liverpool Street, Whitechapel, Canary Wharf, Custom House, Woolwich and Abbey Wood. Just past was the 13:49 Newbury to London Paddington service. And that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.